Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, you guys just mean so much to me. I am fighting a little cold, so please ignore, and I'm going to try not to sniffle too much. I do all sorts of unboxings, jewelry, beauty, clothing, you name it, I unbox it. And if there's something you'd like me to unbox, please feel free to leave in the comments below what that is, and I will definitely try and get it. Today I have one of my favorite new boxes. It's Luxury Diva accessory box. I will link the first one that I got so that you can check that one out as well. This is, their prices just went up. So if you do it like on a 3-month subscription, I believe it costs like $30 each month. And if you just do it as a one-time only, it's like $35. I do have a discount code below where you'll save $5 off of your first box. So I do recommend that and check it out. So let's get into it. You open it up and there is everything that they put in there. And the last time I got a personalized note from my stylist, so I'm not sure if that's in here or not, but we'll work our way through that. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I just want to share a little story with you. I was sitting home last night and I heard this thud on the window, or I should say on the outside of the house. So when I went to go check, there was a baby owl that must have been pushed out of the nest. We have a nest in one of our palm trees and just clung to the window, and he was trying with all his might to try not to fall. Well, he ended up kerplunking onto the ground. So we went out, make sure he's okay, and he just sat there with his cute little eyes just kind of looking like, help me, but they tell you not to get too close to the animal. And after about an hour and a half, he ended up flying up to the lower branch of the one palm tree and working his way up. So he is okay, but he was so cute. I will post a picture of him maybe at the end of the video. I think we got a good picture of him. So I did find the note. It says, Robin, welcome to the club. I know you'll love your LD box, and thank you for becoming an LD affiliate. Sorry about that. My phone just cut off. So I'm not sure at what point it cut off, but I did find my personalized card thanking me for signing up for the LD accessory box from Nikki, and her little cute business card. Again, they're the sweetest people at this company. And then a list of everything that we're going to be opening today. This is so exciting. There's so much stuff in this box. The first thing is an Ultimate Look Pro strobing kit. And this is the box, and it's like a little tin can. Okay, you know, I have no strength here. And look at that. It looks like a contouring palette, highlighters, and some blushes. That is really nice. And it tells you how to apply the products. So that's super nice. So they start off with a bang. The next thing, look at this wallet. It looks like a wristlet. You just have to see the colors. I think my front door just blew open from this windstorm that we're having. I tried to film outside and I was just getting blown away. And this is what it looks like inside. It's got places for your credit cards and for your change. And what a beautiful color. Okay. The next thing, LD box, cute little box. It looks like mints. Now that's a nice accessory to have. The next thing, oh my God, look at this beautiful shirt. It's by John and Anna. It is a size large. And this is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, and the quality on here is great. And it's the perfect sleeve length for out here. The next thing looks like an infinity scarf. And look at that beautiful color and the detailing on there. This is beautiful. And not that we get a whole lot of it out here, but we definitely get it up in Washington, is this nice umbrella. And we never have an umbrella when we need it. So I'm going to take this umbrella, and it might even rain tonight. I'm just going to keep this in my car. This is beautiful. And jewelry. For the price of this box, you cannot go wrong. It's got a little bit of everything, and then you can put down like what sizes you like, what colors you like. And it's a beautiful turquoise bracelet. And it's got the little tree of life charm. It just doesn't want to go in there. So this is a beautiful bracelet, and it's got an infinity link on here as well. I obviously didn't put it on right because it fell off. Okay, so that was everything that was in this fantastic box. So let's do the recap. I cannot wait to put this shirt on. What I'll do is I'll put the shirt on and I'll wear it in another one of my videos. And as I said, this wallet is nice as well. So let's see everything that is in here. The black short sleeve crochet neck top is $28. So it's a great price for a top, and it is really cute. I'm just hoping it fits. The next thing is the long plaid wristlet wallet, and that's $34. And this beautiful bracelet is $23, and it looks like it comes in several colors. I just got the turquoise. And the lacy lightweight scarf is $19, and that one comes in colors as well, but I love the color that I got. And the simple solid color purse umbrella, which comes in colors, is $12. And the bronzer blush highlight strobing kit is $20. Again, it's such a great mix of products because you're not getting heavily loaded on just one type of item. So the retail value is $134. And as I said, you can get a $5 off, and you can get the one-time box for $30, or you can do the subscription, which is what I chose to do. Let me know what you think of this box. I it's going to the top of my list as priorities of boxes that I'm going to continue subscribing to and opening up on my channel. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please comment and let me know what you thought, and let me know if you did try this box. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.